Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to analyze the social sentiment in the crypto market. None of the content is financial advice. This is the crypto word cloud generated using YouTube and X related content related to crypto over the last 7 days. As you can see, the bullish sentiment is back in, at least in terms of social media discussions, although there are some bearish narratives. Although this has not reflected back into price, where most of the top cryptos, again, you can see, are either down or flat over the last 24 hours, or even also over the last 7 days. So it means that again, this type of content is available on cryptoweeklies.com along with this bull market completion related indicator. Again, we were as in terms of early December, we were as much as about 61% completed the bull market. But again, this is not a linear journey by any stretch of imagination. Again, none of the content is financial advice. You can see that even in the last post halving year, that is in 2021, the journey to the eventual high risk environment, that is 100% bull market completion, was not linear. There were from low risk to high risk, low risk to moderate risk, back to low risk regimen, then again a few days in orange, then again back in red, but again back in orange, and then yellow again. These are 20% increment. Blue is anything below 20% risk, green is anything between 20 and 40% risk, moderate risk is between 40% and 60%, high risk, that is in orange color, is between 60% and 80%, and this one between 80% and 100%. So again, something similar panning out in this time around as well. Again, everything shifted by a couple of months, where the first print of the high risk environment came in early December of 2024, and again so far the first couple of weeks, or at least first 9 days of January, are in the low risk territory, like they were back in early 2021. Now going to the social sentiment over the last 24 hours, again the overall sentiment is 50-50 split between bullish and bearish narratives. These narratives, especially the one which has the most bearish confidence level per our machine learning based model, is US government selling, and will the US government sell their Bitcoin. Again, Solana's price action is a bearish narrative. Again, market sell off, these kind of bearish narratives, whereas uh, bullish narratives such as whale deposits, as well as adoption related narratives, again couple of altcoins related narratives. All of the content, by the way, available under here. The one that we just saw was the crypto TLDR summarizer. The peak value was uh, this chart, that is bull market completion. All of the content on cryptoweeklies.com. The link on the bottom of your screen is available for free. You don't have to pay or sign up for anything or watch any ads. The narrative word cloud that we started with the video, this is the narrative word cloud, looks at the last 7 days worth of popular narratives, and based on the trend and the increased discussion for a narrative, the size is determined on that one. Again, Bitcoin holds the key at this point in time. Most of the narratives revolve around Bitcoin. Again, one more popular altcoin emerging is Hedera, and no surprise, that is because of its uh, great performance over some key time period, especially during the last 90 days. The H bar rally is as about 470% from bottom to the top. That makes it the crypto of the day, and again goes hand in hand with the increased social media attention for the crypto. Again, similar story for XRP. um, did rally by a bit over the last 30 days. Again, not that much, but over the last 90 days up by about 340%. So that's the kind of confluence between the social media attention and the price action. In terms of some of the key milestones to look for, again with respect to Bitcoin and ETH, again they together control somewhere between 60 and 80% of the market, of the crypto market. Again, so that makes it key to observe what they are doing on their own risk journey. Are they close to peak? Are they close to bottom? Again, again, this is since 2018. Last time in 2021, Bitcoin peaked per this indicator somewhere in February 2021, when the price was at around 58k. You can check out the price action on those dates. Again over here, this was February 21, 2021. If you go to the USD analysis of Bitcoin back in 2021, February 2020, 21 of 2021, the price action was at around 57, 58k. Again, did not cover the eventual peak of 69k, but again, the purpose is not to identify the actual the eventual top or bottom. That is very hard to do, but a decent point in the market cycle where the risks are elevated. Similarly for ETH, the point in point where per this analysis where ETH peaked was 11th of May 2021, and let's see how ETH was doing at that point in time. This is ETH USD. At that point in time, May 21, 2021. Let's check at around May. This is the week of May 10th of 2021. My apologies, not May 21. This is the week of May 20, 2021. Again, you can see over here May 11th of 2021. Going to ETH USD price action at May 10th or May week ending May 10th of 2021. The price action peaked at around $4,300, very close to the eventual top. So again, per this analysis, right now, if you were to look at some of the interesting levels, again, you would find that in 2024 there were two interesting levels. First, in March of 2024, where the price action surged or the risk level surged to 78%, again very close to the high risk, that is between 80% and 100% risk, but fell short of that 80% risk. Again, price of Bitcoin at that point in time was somewhere between 75 and 78k. Let's check what Bitcoin was doing on the week ending March 13th 2024. Again, March 13th 2024 would be somewhere over here. March 13th price action did make its first new all-time high at around 74k, and again then there was a lull for quite a bit, and then the secondary surge occurred November 21st 2024 and December 17th 2024. Again, per this analysis, November 2024, let's take November 2020, 22nd of November of 2024 as an example. Back then the price first tried to attempt going beyond 100k at around 99,700, and the second time around was in December 16th of 2024. That time, that is the new all-time high for Bitcoin at around 108k. So now what begs to get our attention is what is the current risk level per this model. Right now the BTC risk has come down quite a bit from December highs of about 81% to about now at around moderate risk between 40 and 60%, at exactly at around 53% for Bitcoin, and for Ether at around 42% or 43%. So roughly speaking, half of the market, or more than half of the market, at least 2/3 of the market, is somewhere between 42 and 53% risk, if you take an average at around 47% risk, and that is again quite confluent with the bull market completion at around 51%. So about we have covered about half the journey. The later half of this journey, that's where most of the blow off top scenarios occur. Again, historically speaking, last time around from April 1st of 2021 till about, let's say, about May 24th of 2021. Let's see what was Bitcoin doing between April 1st April and almost end of May of 2021. If you check, most of the topping scenarios occurred way up here, where from April 1 to about or middle of May of 2021, Bitcoin was forming its first major peak for the last bull run. Again, with all of that, I would like to conclude the video with saying the current price action and the social media narratives point to, again, a surge in the bullish action in the social media narratives, but has not quite gotten reflected in the price. Most of the cryptos are down over the last 24 hours. Some are up over the last 7 days, but again, the performance has been lackluster, but that doesn't mean it will always be like that. Again, per the risk models, again, we are somewhere halfway done with respect to the bull market journey, And with that, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.